So if you're looking for inexpensive products that are way undervalued, well, stay tuned to this video right here because I got a ton of products I'm introducing. The gel from Cella, and we're going to be using their shaving soap as well. These products are so underrated. Put some water on your face, some warm water, and just take a little bit of this stuff. A drop, right? Rub it into your fingertips and your palms and start rubbing that in where you plan to shave. Now I'm working with 3 days of shaving growth, and as you can see, I've got quite a bit of growth. It says shaving cream on it, but it's not soft like Rockwell's, you know what I mean, or Parasso. It's a hard. All right, so I'm gonna use my time and tested handy dandy timeless shaving adjustable brush. This is the new 3-band synthetic brush. This thing's flying off the shelf, so if you haven't picked one of these knots up, I highly recommend it. So I just went down and grabbed some. As always, I'm gonna paint it on my face first. Man, this shaving soap it says almond, but what I smell is cherries. That's all I smell. It smells like marshmallow cherries, if you ever heard of that. All right, so I've got it painted on my face. Now I'm just gonna stip the tips in about 1/8 of an inch, break the backbone, right? And work this up. Look how easy this stuff pops. Come on, America. You can't make this shit up. Stuff is that good. Look at that. That stuff's really wet. I'm going to go in with a AccuForge Blade and my timeless Slant. I'm not a big fan of slants, but this timeless Slant is the #1 slant I've ever used. Like, I am totally floored on this product. It's light, easy to maneuver, and it shaves like no other razor I've shaved with. It's that good. This razor right here is a 3-piece razor. Timeless uses the bar setup here, so you have 4 points of contact. You know you're getting very good engineering there. And I'm just gonna open up this AccuForge Blade, and you can get these over at Razor Emporium, and I'll leave all these shopping links below. Just grabbing the top cap here, loading it onto that bar system, 4 points of contact, where it hooks in right here. You can see just a beautiful razor. It's got their etching on the back. This is just such a special product. If you don't own anything by Timeless Razors, you're really missing out. And then you just screw on the barrel. Now the cool thing with Timeless products, they're all interchangeable. Like, you can use this handle with different base plates, a bronze, a stainless steel, or even a titanium. They're all interchangeable, which is very cool. I'm gonna talk about an adjustable setup. You get it with Timeless. Now, their products are a little bit on the higher side because they have the tightest tolerances in the shaving industry, bar none. Forget about it. They're the best. Nobody can deny that. I don't feel like I've worked this in enough, but it's so good. That pre-shave oil really made this stuff pop. Or pre-shave. It's a pre-shave gel. It's not an oil. My bad. But thanks, Howie, from Super Safety Razors. And if you want to pick up any of this Cella products, pick it up from him because he supplies all this for us. Going in with the best aluminum slant, we're going to go for our first pass here. I mean, super smooth. Now, a lot of people say that slant razors are made for people with sensitive skin. I don't know. I don't buy into that, but a lot of slants I can't even shave with. But this one seems to do such a great job. I mean, come on, America. That's how good this razor is. All right, over here, finding our spot. Now, what you're gonna notice with aluminum razors is, if you hold them like this, like you do your normal razors, you know what I mean, pinching it, you're gonna apply too much pressure. What I have found, even with like the Henson razor, which is one of my favorites, there's a lot of aluminum razors out there, if you put your index finger on top just to guide it, perfect amount of pressure. Wow, I'm sneezing a lot here. Can't even get through this shave. All right, so, and beg my pardon, a little stuffy today. But I wanted to put out a, shaving video for you guys. Good. Perfect. It doesn't leave anything behind. I am just so amazed with this razor. Amazing. Same thing. You're still going to, even though it's a slant razor, you're still going to rock it until it bites. Yep. Perfect. All right, let's give this a rinse. Yeah, that razor is so good. It's such an undervalued razor. I mean, if you're looking for an awesome company, like the best in the business, it's timeless. And it's one of their affordable products. But this stuff is off the chain good too. I'll wind that up a little better. That pass was so good, I'm damn near BBS on my cheeks. Got a little bit down here on my neck. So I'm just going to do some touch up. That's how freaking good this is. I don't chase BBS. But I can tell you right now, buddy, got one today. And I'm going to go in with an alum block. This is actually from Super Safety Razors as well. It's from Parker, which is Super Safety Razors. This stuff is so good. Put it on your face. Wow. Flawless. I had a buddy say he's been putting this under his eyes and is helping with his bags. I always shave early in the morning. I'm like, I'll start experimenting with that. But yeah, no irritation whatsoever. What the alum block is going to do, it's going to help tighten up your skin again and close your pores so you can get ready for the next step. But what you're going to want to do is rinse that stuff off your face. You don't want to leave this on. I always dry my face and I go into the next step. This stuff right here, Thayer's, an inexpensive product that is a must-have. The viewers of this channel got me to try it a couple years ago, and woo, they were right. Takes down inflammation. It's highly recommended around the world from dermatologists everywhere. So that's on. That stuff goes on super slick. But I'm going to go in with Cella's aftershave. It says a lotion, but it's in liquid form. Don't know why. Probably should ask that question. It does have witch hazel on it, but I use witch hazel on my face every single day. At least my head. After I jump out of the shower, even if I'm not shaving that day, I put on Thayer's on my head just because, especially in the winter, it's going to moisturize it. In the summer, it's going to moisturize it as well. It's just a beautiful product, and it costs like $10. I mean, it's awesome. So now I'm just going to go right into this product, and I'm just going to put some on here. So it's like your old school, Old Spice or whatever. Put some up top, and ooh, it's got a little tingle to it. Pretty cool. Perfect shave there, and one pass with a little bit of touch up. Come on, America. Tell me this isn't one of the best razor out there, because it is. And a perfect price point. Affordable by all. The nice thing is the handle of it is not a thin handle. Like if I compare it to the Centesi I used last week, it's a little bulky. So if you have a problem with arthritis, or if you have a problem holding little dainty things, it's going to work out great for you because it's a little more bulkier. And I do like the weight of it. Like I said, if you put your index finger on this razor and just shave, it's perfect. It's when you pinch any aluminum razor, if you pinch it like this, that's when you tend to put more pressure on it. Put your index finger up there and have at it. You might even want to try that on some of your other razors if you're having a hard time getting a perfect shave. But highly recommended by Timeless. Love the adjustable shaving brush. This unscrews, you get a bunch of collets, so you can put various size knots in it. This is a G5C. Just a great freaking product. The pre-shave. Dude, I've never seen any soap pop that quick with this pre-shave gel. That was amazing. And you can see how well it hydrated my face. Didn't even work on it. The shaving cream, that's really not a cream. This stuff, I've been using it quite a few times in some of my other videos, and it is a rock star. And it's, again, a great price point. So if you're looking for the best prices on the internet, click on the shopping links below. Help support the channel. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys down the road.